Good morning, Anand. Nice to have you back. Why are markets falling? Is it Middle East? Is it China? Is it pure profit booking? What is the root reason for market sell-off?
Hi, very good morning. I think last 4 years have been so good that we have forgotten that markets tend to correct every now and then. So, to go back into the long history, markets used to correct 20% once in a while, maybe on an average 13 to 14 months once. It used to correct 20%, and it tends to correct on an average 10% thrice a year. That's not something which we have seen more recently, partly because obviously very strong inflows from the domestic investors into mutual funds, which has been sort of a stabilizing effect when FIs have been more or less net sellers in last couple of years, and that's brought out some stability into the market. But nevertheless, markets have done extremely well. There are profits to be booked, and at the same time, I don't know whether it is cyclical or structural, but we have seen some slowdown in the economy. This festive season, a lot of things are expected that they would be sort of boost the economy, boost the consumption, but the early signs are not that great. So I think a little bit of fundamentals, a little bit of technicals, and to be very honest, the correction is nothing big so far. So I think a meaningful correction is what will make us more happy as the market becomes much more
But
solid and safer as the market corrects a little more.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.